Here's what I'm about to give you, a toolkit loaded with free AI tools to do the marketing for you. Unlock 20 plus secret AI tools top marketers don't want you to have. Plus steal my prompt vault that prints money on demand absolutely free. Build emails, funnels, blog posts, landing pages, lead magnets, and more in seconds, not hours. The link for this is going to be directly below in the video description box. Feel free to click on it, stop on over, and let me know where to send it. I'm going to show you 3 tools out of the 20 that you can use ASAP. They're all very useful. I use these every day in my own business, and we're going to get started right here. First one I'm going to show you is the ChatGPT prompt generator for marketers. Create prompts for emails, funnels, and content that converts. Tired of wasting time typing weak prompts into ChatGPT and getting robotic generic content? Now you can skip the guesswork. This free ChatGPT prompt generator helps marketers, funnel builders, content creators, and affiliate pros generate high converting prompts for pretty much anything. And this is it right here. 3 easy steps. It's going to submit the prompt for you right here. I could take you through a little tutorial, blog post prompt. Who is your target audience? We'll do one of my old ones. I'm doing an in-depth review of the newest Google Pixel XL Pro phone. This is just off the top of my head. What is your main goal with this content? We'll just say promote an affiliate offer. Click submit. You're going to let the AI think for a few seconds. It's going to come up with an excellent prompt right here. Generate a blog post prompt for an in-depth review of the newest Google Pixel XL Pro phone that focuses on the emotional journey of the user, highlights common pain points faced by smartphone users such as camera quality, battery life, and user experience. Emphasize the benefits of the Google Pixel XL Pro in addressing these issues, weaving in personal stories or scenarios that resonate with readers. Ensure the content is clear, persuasive, and written in simple, relatable language. Include a strong call to action that promotes an affiliate offer related to the Google Pixel XL Pro, encouraging readers to make a purchase. How good is this? All you do is copy and paste it in your favorite large language model like ChatGPT, and get the best possible output you can get for your marketing campaigns. And obviously, the more in-depth you're going to get with this, the better your prompt's going to be. This was just an example. Next one is going to be the AI video script generator. Create short-form content for TikTok, Reels, YouTube, Shorts, and more. What platform is this video for? Choose. What is your video about? Who is your target audience? What problems are they struggling with? What result or transformation are you promising? What kind of tone do you want? Call to action. How long should the video script be? You can pick from one of these 3 options. Click submit after you fill out this brief form, and it's gonna create an AI video script. It's gonna create an AI video script that looks like a professional copywriter created it. Awesome tool. Access on the link below. And the last one I'm gonna show you, and there's 17 more. This is the AI hook generator. Instantly create high converting hooks for ads, emails, and social media. Need a killer marketing hook that grabs attention instantly? Enter your topic or product. Select your hook style, curiosity, emotional, urgency, or story-based. Describe your target audience. Put it right in this box here. What emotion do you want to trigger? Excitement, fear, curiosity, trust. Choose your hook type. Short and snappy, email subject plus opening line. YouTube Shorts hook. Social media post, add headline plus sub-headline. All you do is enter these little inputs here. Click submit, and you're going to end up with an excellent hook that's going to grab attention and drive engagement to whatever it is that you are promoting. It could be a product, service, your business, whatever it is. This is an excellent tool to have in your back pocket. I got a lot more of these. These were just the 3 I wanted to show for this video, my 3 main ones for this video. All excellent tools. I'm also going to give you my prompt vault with some of my best prompts that you can just copy and paste into ChatGPT as well. All you got to do is go on over to the link below. Come on over to this page and let me know where to send all this good stuff. It's all excellent stuff that's going to help in your marketing, and it's 100% absolutely free. So take advantage of it before I take this down. Thanks for watching. I'd appreciate a like if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for all future video updates. Take care. Bye-bye.